guys, welcome to our vlog.
Don't forget to subscribe.
There's a picture plant. Picture plant. Picture plant.
You mean the ceiling is literally metal?
That's right.
Everything is metal.
There's Dwayne checking in. Nag-iba sila ng design. Dati nung nandito kami last month, I know na. When did we came here? Ezra, no. Ezra. 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 Oh, so cute. The Eiffel Tower is there. Last time it's in the front. Come, Ka. Bye, Ka. Let's go.
Okay. Awesome turn. Radical. Radical turn.
Are we still
We like
do that?
Are you happy?
We're staying here until Sunday.
Tomorrow only la. Sunday got school next day eh.
Oh,
We're leaving at Sunday.
Then how you going to school? Here. Doorbell ko.
Mama.
Knock knock.
What is?
We're back and it doesn't look any different.
Yeah. We're back. The triangle.
It doesn't look any
The Toblerone
Hello.
pillows.
Coco's sleeping for that.
I thought it's it's dusty. It's not pala. It's the scratches.
It really isn't that it really never changed.
Alright, here we go. We're heading up. Heading downstairs for dinner. It's a long walkway. Yep. Yep, so this is the first time we are trying the half board here. So we'll have breakfast, definitely, and 2 meals, either lunch or dinner to choose. So, alright, we shall try it. Okay, so we are here at the dinner place. This is Winestone. We'll see it from outside later.
Mama, I'm wanting this fish and chip. Like, but it has, I want this fish and chip.
That is not appetizer, baby. That's the main. You want that for your main?
So we'll be having this, the 3-course dinner, and you can choose anything from here. So we'll take a look.
I don't want the...
Give me a piece. Give me a small piece. And put some little
So that's the name of the place, Winestone over there. So the usual, they give the bread with butter. He is eating. He is drawing. So alright, let's wait for food. Okay, so the bun, left one. Our appetizer, we got 2 wings only. This is squid with fries. That is the watermelon feta cheese salad.
Dad, wanna show the viewers something?
The boys have their 2 apple juice.
Dad, I wanna show the viewers something. Guys. Mental life hack. This is true. Look at this. Look at this fry. So this fry is pretty hot, but when you dip it in, that wasn't meant to happen. But if you dip it in ketchup, that's what I was about to say, it will be colder. But please wipe your hands after you dip the part you want to eat in.
So that you're
Alright, so this is my chicken supreme thingy. The boy is having carbonara. The boy is having his fish and chips. Fish and chips. Again, this is the second fish and chip you're having today. So alright, I'm to eat. Milo brownie. Milo.
social natural.
Turon. Creme brulee.
I like how fancy the way it's
So down over there is all the eateries. Yeah, this is Rakio. Guys,
Yeah.
I still don't know.
This is wrong. Then over there. Or is it the same? Mariko?
We're cute. It's so funny how this says. No, it's supposed to.
Which one is for this rock?
I saw one piece of duct tape.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Bye.